Hey there, this is Peyton here with Profit Daylight. On this video, we want to talk about what are the free website templates that we can get if we had the free version of Astra Theme installed on our website. On a previous video, we talked about what were the best themes that we could install with Elementor. So on this video, what we want to see is if there are any full website free templates that we can use with Elementor and with the Astra theme. So here is a website that I have, and this is the way the website looks. So what we want to do, I'm going to go into my dashboard and I'm going to install a free website template since I'm using the Astra theme, and we will see if what changes on the website after we finish this. So I'm heading over here, and as you can see under appearance, I have an option. Basically under appearance themes, I have the Astra theme installed. So from here I can come down to Astra options. When I come down to Astra options, I have this which says import starter template. Did you know Astra offers a free library of starter templates? Import your favorite site in one click and start your project with style. So that is for people that don't want to go through the creation of pages and blocks and header footers and all of that. They just want to run with what is available with beautiful ready-made website templates. That's what we want to accomplish on this video. So if I go to details, it talks about the starter templates. And if I come here to starter templates, it explains what exactly it is and basically repeats that I need to install a starter template plugin. So I can install a starter template plugin by either coming over here on the left side under plugins, add new, I can install it from there, or I can just simply install it here. Say install importer plugin, which is this one that says starter plugin. So I'm going to install the importer plugin here, and it says it's activating. Okay. So now it gives me the option again. I could have gone to the plugin section on the left and go to just enter starter templates, and it will have given me the opportunity or the ability to install that plugin. Now that I have it installed, I can access it from the left side. If I go to dashboard, I can come down to appearance. And let's see where it's at here. Under appearance, starter templates, all right? So I come to starter templates, and it's asking me which page builder I want to select. Obviously, I'm going to choose Elementor. So I choose Elementor. And it's probably going to take some time to, to retrieve the things that it needs to retrieve. Okay, so these are options of fully made websites that I can right away start using all of these. Some of them says agency, which means that I will have to upgrade to the starter templates plugin, but those that don't say or do not say agency can be used for free. So whichever one here is good to go with. And I guess there is a drop down too that I can select different options. I can select only the free ones, or I can select agency ones. Let's stick with the free ones here. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose one of them. Like this website, I am promoting a diet product here. So let's see what works good for diet. Maybe I can type weight loss. Doesn't come up with anything. Diet. Okay, maybe this one. Let's see what it looks like. Hello, okay. So these are templates that I can use. And let's use one of the options here, import complete site and import blog template. Okay, let's select include complete site. You're close to importing the template, to complete the process, please clear the following conditions. Update plugin, let's see what it's all about. Updates are available for plugins used in this starter template, Elementor. Kindly update them for a successful import. Skipping this step might break the template design feature. So let's update. It's taking me to a place where I can update. I guess I have to update Elementor. Okay, well, let's go ahead and update Elementor. I'm updating the plugin here. Update is starting. Okay, return to the plugins page, return to the WordPress update pages. And let me just come back and I guess I can refresh this site here and let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to select diet. Let's go back with the one that I had here, import complete site. Now it's telling me your selected website is being imported. Delete previously imported site, import customizer settings, and I can select here to see what it says. Starter templates customizer serves global settings that give uniform design to the website. Choosing this option will override your current customizer settings. Import widgets and install required plugins. Obviously, you want to install the required plugins, import content. I want to do all of that. So I'm going to just select import. The import process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the site and speed of the connection. Please do not close this browser window until the site is imported completely. My connection is fairly good, so it shouldn't take that long. Let's just wait a little more until it finishes. And it says import complete. Hurrah! The website imported successfully. Go ahead, customize the text, images, and design to make it yours. So that is one of the things that I can customize. Text, images, and design to make it mine. Have fun. We try our best to use images that are free from legal perspectives. However, we do not take any responsibility. We strongly advise website owners to replace the images and any copyrighted media before publishing them online. Thanks for letting me know. So before, I'm just going to come back here to view the website. I have not refreshed this page. This is how it looks. And I'm going to see what changes. View site. And here you go. It's completely different. It looks, you can be sure it looks completely different than what I have. This is what I had before. And I had a plugin that had social plugin. That's probably why this is here. The social plugin buttons up here. This was the way I had the website, and this is the way it is now. Let me see what it did with my buttons below. So it override a lot of things because I had these options here below: content disclaimer, disclosure, privacy policy, terms, copyright, and sitemap. It had that. It completely overwrite that. But as you can see, this site looks much better. It looks much professional, very, very professional. And I can now customize the site the way I want. So let's refresh this here. And indeed, it has completely changed the look of my website. So I can completely get ready-made templates for my website, and that is the way it looks right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm definitely going to try to customize this, and I will definitely be creating another video showing you the changes that have taken place. So that is how you can get free website templates with the starter templates using Astra. And I hope this video has been informative. You can look here to find other videos in this playlist of Elementor. And you can also subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will definitely continue creating more Elementor videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.